Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your TD Bank to your PayPal account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you have not already. So after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. Now we can get started logging in. So what you want to do is in the upper right corner, click the login button and log into your account that you want to connect your TD Bank with. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and create a new PayPal account by clicking sign up. And after creating it, you can go ahead and log in and now we can get started. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is our main page where we can take a look at our PayPal balance. We have a recent activity tab right here. We can send, request money and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can connect our TD Bank. Basically, it's very easy and you only need 2 clicks. Basically, we're going to go and be connecting our bank right here from the main page. As you can see in the home page right here, we can get started with selecting any card or bank that we want to use with PayPal, and you can do so by clicking add card or bank right here. Click on it guys and it's going to open up a new menu. This is going to be your menu where you can go ahead and either link a credit card or link a bank account. If you click link on bank account, it's going to enable you to take you to the next page where you can get started with selecting your bank name and your SWIFT code as well as your account type, IBAN number and so on, all your bank info. That's going to enable you to provide your TD Bank info right here. After you do so, you can go ahead and just go ahead and confirm everything, add it, and after you're satisfied guys, you can go ahead and finish with the confirmation, and after that it's going to successfully enable you to connect and link your TD Bank to PayPal, after which you can deposit money, send money and so on. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.